If you landed in Israel tomorrow, would you be able to go out and start speaking with the locals, or would you feel embarrassed to speak confidently? Let's make sure that the answer is be ready to go out and speak confidently. If you found this channel, then we're gonna get you there. Don't even worry. טוב, חבר'ה, יש לנו עוד סרטון בסדרה שלנו שנקרא Top 50 Common Must Know Pa'al Verbs and their conjugation. It's to get you to start seeing the patterns in the Binyan system so you can start conjugating, so you can start understanding, so you can start speaking, and we're starting with all the common verbs. Really quick, who am I? My name is Leah. This channel is called Kamoni, and here you are going to learn how to speak fluent Hebrew, how to understand and appreciate Israeli culture, and it's all done in a fun, interesting way with videos that are not just regular textbook Hebrew. So if you like that, subscribe, and if this video helps you, then help me and leave a like. Thank you so much. How we're going to do the video today is that I'm going to say the verbs and their definitions. Then I'm going to go through how to conjugate them all. That way you can see right away that there is a pattern and you'll be able to start picking it up right away. And then we're going to conjugate future. And for every verb, I'm also going to give an example sentence so you can start understanding how to use it. I'm also going to have this worksheet available in the description for you to follow along or practice later on to do some memory recalling. And I'll also have flashcards for these verbs as well as other verbs in the series with audio so that you can practice them and get to know them and memorize them, because these are really common ones. So learn them and your Hebrew is going to be immediately boosted. It's amazing. Okay, let's get into it. The first verb is לעשות, which means to do or make. אני צריכה לעשות שיעורי בית. I have to do homework. You can also say למה אתה עושה את זה? Why are you doing this? When asking a man. If you're going to ask a girl, you would say למה את עושה את זה? Why are you doing this? מה עושים היום? What are we doing today? מה לוז is another way you can say that. It technically means what's the schedule, but it's a way that you say like, so what are the plans? What are we going to plan? You know, what are we doing? עשיתי את זה לבד. I did it by myself. לעשות לו מסיבת יום הולדת, to make a birthday party. So there you have some example sentences of לעשות. Next we have לרצות. לרצות, to want. Yeah, this one comes up all the time. אני רוצה, because I'm a female, or if you are a guy, you can say אני רוצה. אני רוצה, אני רוצה. Fill in the blank. There is just unlimited possibilities. אני רוצה $1,000,000. אני רוצה חברה. אני רוצה שקט ושלום. הם רוצים לטוס לאוסטרליה. הוא לא רוצה לבוא. Okay, next is to see. לראות. Something that I have trouble with. Also, my glasses broke. I'm waiting for the new ones to come. So if you're thinking to yourself, why does she look like she has broken glasses? It's because she does, but we're not talking about it. ראיתי אותו אתמול. I saw him yesterday. אני לא יכולה לראות. Or if you're a guy, you would say, אני לא יכול לראות. I can't see. You come to your friend's house and you say, יו, מה קורה חברים? רוצים לראות סרט? איזה רעיון מטורף. If you watch my video, how to express yourself beyond just saying טוב מאוד, then you know what מטורף means. איזה רעיון מטורף, כן, יאללה, איזה סרט. I have recommendation for you if you want to know איזה סרט. Watch לשחרר את שולי and לשחרר את שולי 2. It has also a song from Liam Chakmon, who is an Israeli rapper who is so good. חבל על הזמן, אני נשבעת, הוא אחד הכי אהובים עליי. הוא פסיכי. פסיכי אני אומרת. אז יאללה, לכו לראות את הסרט הזה. טוב, נמשיך. Next we have לקרות. לקרות is to happen. In Hebrew we use this a lot when we're talking about happened or will happen, I find. Like, הכל בסדר? מה קרה? Or what will happen? לא ציפיתי שזה יקרה. I did not expect that this would happen. זה קורה כל הזמן. This happens all the time. זה קורה כל הזמן. Not to get confused with לקרוא with the aleph at the end, which means to read or call. Usually don't say it in the female version. So it's like זה קורה? אתה אמיתי עכשיו? זה באמת קורה? Are you serious right now? Is this actually happening? Alright, next. To know. This is a really important one because you guys are all super smart and know a lot. The to know is לדעת. לדעת, to know. So you can say אני יודעת את האמת. For a girl, I know the truth. If you're a guy, you say, אני יודע את האמת. We'll get into that though, don't you worry. איך אתה יכול לדעת? How can you know? Or איך את יכולה לדעת? How can you know? לא ידעתי שכך אומרים את זה. I didn't know that that's how you say it. So remember that one, because you guys are smart. You'll be knowing a lot of things. Especially at the end of this video. Next, to ask. לשאול. רציתי לשאול שאלה. I want to ask a question. שאלה is question. לשאול, you see it's the same שורש is to ask. אפשר לשאול אותך משהו? Can I ask you something? אפשר literally translates to is it possible, but you use it in front of verbs to just politely say can I, like for example, not even politely, just how you say it. For example, if you want to say can I, like can I get in, can I pass, can I this, אפשר, can I buy, אפשר לקנות, can I order, אפשר להזמין, can I papa. You're gonna hear this all the time. לשאול pairs with אותך, אותך, אותם. It's not gonna be אפשר לשאול לך שאלה. It's gonna be אותך. אל תשאל אפילו. Don't even ask. Next is לעבוד. To work, לעבוד. במה אתה עובד? או במה את עובדת? במה אתה עובד is asking a guy. In what literally translates to in what do you work, but it means what do you do for a living? Or במה את עובדת? In what do you work? If you're asking a girl, but literally like what do you do for a living? What's your job? עבדתי על זה. I worked on this. אתה עובד היום? You can ask a guy. Or את עובדת היום? You can ask a girl. Are you working today? Next is to go or walk. It's ללכת. There's different ways to say to go. For example, if you're traveling in a car, it's לנסוע, or by plane, לטוס, to fly. So it's like kind of to commute, to travel. You can also say לעזוב, to leave, but the most safe one is ללכת. Really, it means to walk with your legs, like technically to walk in your legs, and then you would לנסוע ברכב, לטוס במטוס. But it also means kind of to go or to leave. For example, in English, if you want to say I'm going to the cafe, you would say, in Hebrew, you would use ללכת. So, אני הולכת לקפה, לבית קפה. Or if you want to say, what are you going to do tomorrow? You can ask, let's say you're asking a guy, מה אתה הולך לעשות מחר? או מה אתה הולכת לעשות מחר? If you're asking a girl, what are you going to do tomorrow? You can ask, בא לך ללכת איתי? בא לך ללכת איתי? זה לא הולך ככה. It's kind of a abstract way of saying it doesn't work like that. It technically translates to it doesn't go like that here. It's not how it works here, baby. You can also say, אני הולכת הביתה. I'm going home. Or if you're a guy, אני הולך הביתה. I'm going home. That's all. Next. To come. לבוא. The opposite of to go. את באה איתנו? Are you, to a girl, coming with us? Or אתה בא איתנו? Are you coming with us? תבואי רגע. Come here for a second. If you're talking to a girl. If you're talking to a guy. תבוא לפה. Come here. You're going to hear this in Israeli families a lot. The mom and dad are always telling the kids, בוא לפה, תבוא לפה. Or you can simply ask, like, do you want to come? אתה רוצה לבוא? Or את רוצה לבוא? בא לך לבוא? בא לך לבוא? Do you want to come? Next, to live. Literally translates to reside. לחיות is to live your life, like in the song. You know, like, vivir mi vida, ay, 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 ay. No, that's not it. I'm talking about לגור, to live as in reside somewhere. So, איפה אתה גר? Where do you live if you're telling a guy? איפה את גרה? Where do you live if you're asking a girl? Or, איפה אתה מעדיף לגור? Where do you prefer to live? אני גרה בתל אביב. I live in Tel Aviv. That's not true, by the way, but it's just an example. הם גרים ליד החוף. They live next to the beach. היא הייתה גרה בירושלים. She used to live in ירושלים, in Jerusalem, and עכשיו היא עברה לגור בארצות הברית. Now she moved to live in America. By the way, if you don't know, ארצות הברית, that's America. Like America, you can say, or ארצות הברית. Okay, those are our verbs. Yalla, let's get into conjugation. Just have my computer with me to make sure I follow the chart that I'm leaving for you guys. So don't forget, I'm leaving a chart in the description. You guys can follow along or use it as a worksheet and it'll be a big help. We're going to start with past tense. So again, if you didn't watch the last video, and even if you did, it's a good refresher, so I'm going to go over it. Ani always ends in T. Because ani, same sound, T. Like asiti, garti, alachti. Okay, we'll get into all of them. Ata ends in ta sound. So you're going to end the past tense verb in ta. Garta, asita, halachta. At ends with t. So asit, gart, alacht. Same ending as the pronoun and the past tense. So it's really helpful and really simple. Next, hu is always going to be the basic version of the verb. So hu halach, hu asa, hu ratsa. For the female, it's either going to be you add hey to the end or you add a taf. So he ratzta or he amra instead of amar. Next, anachnu. What sound does that end in? Nu. So same for the past tense. Garnu, achalnu, halachnu. Okay? Atem or aten ends in tem or ten. So same. Achaltem, halachtem, asiten. And then him is going to end with u. Just going to be the pared down version and then u for him or him. And if you don't know what the pronouns are, real quick, ani is I, ata is you for a guy, at is you for a girl, who is he is she, anachnu is us, atem or aten is you guys for plural, atem is for a guy, even if there's just one guy in the group, and then aten is for a group of just girls, hem and hin is the same, hin is for a group of just girls, hem is for a group of guys, or a group where there's even one guy present, and then that means them. Yalla, let's get into conjugation. La'asot, ani asiti, ata asita, at asit, הוא עשה, היא עשתה, אנחנו עשינו, אתם עשיתם, עשיתן, הם עשו, הן עשו. לרצות, to want. אני רציתי, I wanted, אתה רצית, you wanted, את רצית, you wanted, הוא רצה, he wanted, היא רצתה, she wanted, אנחנו רצינו, we wanted, אתם רציתם, אתן רציתן, you guys wanted, and הם רצו, or הן רצו, they wanted. לראות, to see. אני ראיתי, I saw. אתה ראית, you saw to a guy. את ראית, you saw to a girl. הוא ראה, he saw. היא ראתה, she saw. אנחנו ראינו, we saw. אתם ראיתם, אתן ראיתן. You guys saw. הם ראו, הן ראו. They saw. Okay, לקרות is weird because I don't happen. We talk about happening as happening to events. Usually, so you're gonna describe the event depending on the gender of the word that happened. Yeah, you're usually going to use kara or yikre, but I'm just going to give you like what it would technically be. Just keep that in mind. Ma kara is what happened. You're not going to say ma karta. No one says that. You're not going to say ma karta. So you just have to know kara basically, or karu for past tense. Lada'at. Ani yadati, I knew. Ata yadata, you knew for a guy. At yadat, you knew for a girl. Hu yada, he knew. I yad'a, she knew. אנחנו ידענו, we knew, אתן ידעתם, or ידעתן, you guys knew, הם ידעו, they knew. הם ידעו שזה יקרה, they knew that this would happen. אז למה הם נתנו לזה לקרות? So why did they let it happen? Sorry, I just had like a moment where I was the main character in the movie, got my emotions all worked up. Next, לשאול. Okay, we're starting to get the idea, so I'm not going to do אני שאלתי, אתה שאלת, I'm just going to say the words one after another. שאלתי, שאלת, שאלת, שאל, שאלה, שאלנו, שאלתם, שאלתן, שאלו. לעבוד, to work. עבדתי, עבדת, עבדת, עבד, עבדה, עבדנו, עבדתם או עבדתן, עבדו. הלכתי, הלכת, הלכת. By the way, with ללכת, the hey, sometimes you say it with kind of the sound of an olive, depending on the accent that people have. So you could say halachti or you could say alachti. But you just need something to notice, something to keep in mind, especially if you're working on your if you're working on your understanding. So lalechet, halachti, halachta, halacht, halach, halcha, halachtem, halachten, halchu. Lavo, bati, bata, bat, ba, banu, batem, baten, bau. האם הם באו בסוף? Did they come in the end? Bao, such a fun way to say. Lagur, garti, garta, gart. And then for past tense, you add liyot, to be, to it. So you would say, hu haya gar, he was living. Or hi aita gara, she was living. So that's for who and he. אנחנו גרנו, אתם גרתם, גרתן, הם גרו שם. Listen gang, the future tense with לעשות is a really common one you hear a lot. מה אני אעשה? מה אני אעשה? What am I going to do? אני ילד maniac. מה אני אעשה? I'm a jerk. What can I do? Or, for example, they say, yeah, but I really love you. Like, what can I do? אבל אני באמת אוהבת אותך. מה אני אעשה? Like, what can I do? This is just how it is. You'll hear it a lot. Let's start. So, לעשות. And it's always going to be like this. The same for all the future tense. Let me just tell you. Aleph in front for ani. Taf in front for ata. Taf in front and yud at the end for at. Who will be yud in front. He will be taf in front. Same like ata. Anachnu with nun in front. And then we have atem, aten is going to be taf in front, vav at the end. Hem, hen is going to be yud in front, vav at the end. Okay? Ase, I will do. Ta'ase, you will do. Ta'asi, you will do. This is ata ta'ase, at ta'asi. Hu ya'ase, I ta'ase, anachnu na'ase, atem ta'asu, hem, hen ya'asu. Next, לרצות. אני ארצה, אתה תרצה, היא תרצי, הוא ירצה, היא תרצה, אנחנו נרצה, אתן תרצו, הן ירצו. לראות, אני אראה, אתה תראה, you'll hear that a lot, you'll see, one day you'll see, יום אחד אתה תראה, you'll hear that a lot in shows and stuff, יום אחד אתה תראה, or יום אחד את תראי, one day you'll see, for a girl, את תראי, הוא יראה, היא תראה, if you're, let's say, encouraging your Israeli girlfriend who a man dumped her and she's really sad. יום אחד הוא יראה מה הוא פספס. One day he'll see what he missed out on. אנחנו נראה, you'll see a lot. Like, we'll see. אנחנו נראה, בוא נראה, let's see. בוא נראה technically means come see, but it means we'll see. בוא נראה, can you meet that day? בוא נראה. What will be? בוא נראה, who knows, let's see what happens. אתם תראו, והם יראו. לקרות. Again, it's a little bit weird this one, because I don't happen. But technically it would be, you would hear יקרה a lot, what will happen, and that's the only one I've ever heard, so I'm just going to share that one. Correct me if I'm wrong, that's the only one I've ever heard used, so that's the only one I'm going to share. Okay, לדעת, to know. אני אדע, אתה תדע, היא תדעי. This is another one, שתדעי is an expression like, just so that you know, but it basically, you use it to mean, by the way, so you know. שתדע, so you know when saying to a guy, or שתדעי, so you know when saying to a girl. You'll hear this all the time. שתדעי, את ממש מדהימה. Just so you know, you are amazing. Okay. Or שתדעי, שתדעו, אתם מדהימים. Just so you guys know, you are amazing. But you already know that. הוא ידע, היא תדע, אנחנו נדע, אתם תדעו, הן ידעו. Now we have לשאול, to ask. אני אשאל אותו, I'll ask him. אתה תשאל, היא תשאלי, הוא ישאל, היא תשאל, אנחנו נשאל, we will ask, אנחנו נשאל, לא, אתן תשאלו, הם ישאלו. לעבוד, to work. אני אעבוד, אתה תעבוד, את תעבדי, הוא יעבוד, היא תעבוד, אנחנו נעבוד על זה. We're gonna work on this, or אני אעבוד על זה, I will work on this. אתן תעבדו, והם יעבדו. יאללה. Moving on to ללכת. ללכת. אני אלך, אתה תלך, את תלכי, הוא ילך, היא תלך, אנחנו נלך ביחד, we'll go together. אתן תלכו, והם ילכו. יאללה, last one, לבוא. Second to last one. We have לבוא, and then we have לגור. So, עשינו אבל לגור, לא? עשינו past tense, עשינו בעבר. טוב, יאללה, אז לבוא. אבוא, תבואי, הוא יבוא, היא תבוא, אנחנו נבוא אחרי השקיעה. We will come after sunset. אתן תבואו, והם יבואו. And finally, לגור. So, אני אגור, I will live. אתה תגור, את תגורי, הוא יגור, היא תגור, אנחנו נגור, אתן תגורו, והם יגורו. Okay. We did it. You got through it. And if there's something that you think, you kind of lost interest, or it was, I don't know, too long or too complicated, or you wish you had something else or some kind of resource, please do let me know, because I'm making these videos to help you, and I love Hebrew, and I love helping people learn Hebrew. So if I can be better, I want to hear. בקטע בונה, tell me במה אני צריכה לעבוד, במה אני צריכה לשפר, סבבה? If you want to go to Israel for free, listen. Do you want to go to Israel for free? Free flight, free food, free hotel, and free activities that you get to do with an amazing group of people going around the whole Israel for 10 days. Yeah, I mean it. I'm serious. This is a thing. It's called Birthright Israel. And if you haven't done it, then click the link in the description. Sign up with my Birthright Israel link. But for real, I've staffed some. I've done my own. A Birthright Israel is amazing. I cannot recommend it enough. If you have questions about it, ask me. But go to Israel. Go experience the culture. Experience a new culture. Experience a new place. Experience and meet new people. Israelis during the trip. You can practice your Hebrew. It's wonderful. You have an Israeli tour guide plus tour guides from whatever country you're from. You make so many friends. I'm still in touch with so many people I met through Birthright. We hang out all the time in America and in Israel. So like, yalla, get on it. It's free. Hello. If you guys are good Jews, you're gonna run and sign up. And if you're not Jewish, then there's other ways that you can go to Israel. Oh, and the Birthright is for anyone ages 18 to 26. Just forgot to leave that there. Alright, זהו, הגענו לסוף הסרטון. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for putting in the work to learn Hebrew. This is one of the more boring grammatical videos that I post. Normally it's a lot more fun, but if you really watch this and go to the end, I see that you're committed and I commend you for that. I see you trying and good on you. And I'll see you next week for some other cool videos that I have coming out. Same time, same place. Yalla, bye.